This guy's a sign, say microwave the popcorn for us, get $50. Let's see who does it.
Can I go to my apartment and come back?
Down the stairs, over there, and through you. I know, but that's going down, left, and back up. You can just go through the stairs.
Where's the nearest microwave?
The nearest microwave? Do you
Where's
want
the nearest
like
microwave?
popcorn microwave?
They clearly just want
Don't we
this
have a
microwave.
microwave in the dorm?
How close is your dorm?
Your dorm.
My dorm? It's right there, yeah, sure. Be back.
Okay, bye. He's probably they're so moved.
Those guys are I'll be right back. My microwave and popcorn get $50.
Yeah, go do it.
McCullough's has a microwave, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be right back. I don't even think I can go to the thing, so.
Okay. Okay.
It's $50.
Can we split it?
No, he's the one walking. He gets one. Gentlemen?
No, Graham, we did it! Oh, if anything, Grace.
Otherwise, they wouldn't have seen it.
Oh, look
There
at
he
it.
is.
Look at it.
The boy. The boy.
There you go. Thank you.
There we go.
Alright, so you're about Here's your popcorn. Really? Thank you. I thought this was like a way to get free microwavable popcorn. You guys have a great day.
Can I bring it when I come back? Oh, I don't have a microwave, guys. Sorry, bro. What was it? 50 bits microwave popcorn. Ah, that's casual. There you go, fellas. Thank you very much. Y'all going this on TikTok? I've seen you on TikTok. Yeah, that's good stuff, man.
Thanks.
Y'all keep it up.
All right, thank you guys for watching this video. We'll see you next time.
Get some of that popcorn.
Thank you. Are you cool with
Thank
being
you.
in our video?
Okay, cool.
Sweet. Yeah, we're filming up there.
You're filming?
Yeah, yeah.
Crazy. Wait, are you guys on YouTube?
We're on TikTok.
YouTube,
mostly,
TikTok,
yeah.
Instagram. But
Can I follow you guys?
yeah,
sure.
of course we can.
Nice.
We didn't think you were coming back.
Yeah, we were ready to go.
Really? Oh my god, it took forever. I had so much. I was like running, I've been running all kinds of errands. And so I was like, oh damn. I was like, I had to go to my apartment and I had to get my check and it was just a lot. Whoa, you guys have 1.8 million followers?
Somehow.
Holy crap,
Yeah,
bro. Nice. Well, thank you guys so much.
Yeah, of
I'm
course.
actually supposed to be at work right now.
Oh, well, you just made some money, so that's
I just
take a day off.
Hopefully that makes up for it.
Yeah.
Thank y'all.
Have a good one.
You got early. Do you mind if we grab a selfie? Awesome.
Oh. We did the popcorn earlier.
It's true. Are you taking it?
I can take some.
Okay.
Oh wait, I take selfie.
Selfie.
Oh, selfie.
It was all three of
I'm
us.
sorry, my brain's a little
You
fried.
need to get a.
Wait, let me grab the. I'll hold this up.
Ah, perfect. Thank you.
Okay. Oh, wrong direction. Here, maybe this is
It's important.
awesome.
Okay. Can we get
Cool.
another photo? Just
I follow you.
Okay. Whatever you guys want.
I've now discovered y'all might.
I follow you
did
guys. I
not know
showed it
this.
to them
Oh, do you
after
really?
we were done with the thing. Yeah.
That's awesome.
I was walking by. I'm like, I recognize those dudes.
I was like,
really?
you know
Yeah.
these people? And they were
That's
like,
why I
yeah,
stopped
they're
them
on
so
TikTok.
suddenly. I
was
saw
like,
you back there. I was
whoa.
like, that dude's got a white sign. I think that's him.
Right up there.
There it is. I was
Yeah.
wondering. All right. Thanks.
Yeah, no problem. Have a good one.